How to copy your profile on Quora link easy and fast from the app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to copy your Quora profile link easy. So first thing, go to the app. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Click on it again so you can go to your profile. Now this is my profile page as you can see. Now if you want to copy your profile link, all what you have to do is click here on this option, click on it, and then you will find this option here again. Click on copy link as you can see right here. Now the link is copied successfully, easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later and thank you so much for watching.